Hello students, let's solve this Math Olympiad problem where we have been given the value of square root of a plus square root of b as 17 and square root of a minus square root of b as 1, and then we need to find the value of ab. The solution is very easy. We have been given the value of root a plus root b as 17 and root a minus root b as 1. So this is our equation 1 and the other one is equation 2. So first we'll add the two equations. Adding 1 and 2. So when we add the two equations, root a plus root b equals 17 and here we have root a minus root b equals 1. We'll add the two equations. This minus root b and plus root b gets cancelled. So we have 2 root a equals 18. 17 plus 1 is 18. Or root a equals 18 divided by 2, which equals 9. So root a equals 9. To find the value of a, we'll square both the sides. So squaring both the sides, so we have root a whole square equals 9 square. Root a times root a or root a square is a equals 9 square is 81. So the value of a comes out to be 81. So this we got by adding the two equations. Let's subtract the two equations so we'll get the value of other variable. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So we have root of a plus root of b equals 17. And the other equation is root of a minus root of b equals 1. Now when we subtract, the signs get changed. So this is going to be negative a, this is positive root b, and this is negative 1. Now we'll subtract. So negative root a and positive root a gets cancelled. And root b plus root b will be 2 root b or 2 square root of b equals 17 minus 1 is 16. Or we can say that root b equals 16 upon 2 or square root of b equals 8. Find the value of v, we'll square both the sides, squaring both sides. So we have square root of b whole square equals 8 square or b equals 64. 8 times 8 is 64. So the value of b is 64. Now we have the value of a as 81 and value of b is 64. We can now find the value of root or square root of a times b, which equals square root of 81 times 64. So square root of ab equals, let's write 81 and 64 as the product of their factors. So 81 is 9 square and 64 is 8 square. And as the squares are under the square root sign, this square gets cancelled with the square root sign. So we have square root of AB equals 9 times 8 or square root of AB equals 72. So this is the value we were looking for. Square root of AB comes out to be 72. Let's take a quick look at the solution and select our correct option. The correct answer is option D, which is 72. So this is how we solve these kind of questions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.